Before buying an air filter for your 6.7 Cummins, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But real buyers are definitely talking about it. Let's dig into the best options out there. Product number 1, Dox Diesel Engine Air Filter. First up, we have the Dox Diesel Engine Air Filter. Priced at $33.99, this one grabbed my attention because of its high rating of 4.6 stars from 369 reviews. If you want reliable protection for your engine, this is worth a serious look. This filter is designed specifically for hardworking diesel engines. It blocks dirt, dust, and debris that can wear down your engine over time. The heavy-duty silicone gasket creates a tight seal, which is crucial when you're in rough, dusty conditions. With a dust-holding capacity of 99.25%, you'll get more cleanliness and longevity from your engine. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A clean filter means a well-functioning engine, which can save you on costly repairs down the road. And with over 200 units sold this past month, it's clear that many are choosing this option. Now, some people have mentioned that the installation can be a bit tricky for first-timers. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and maybe watch a quick tutorial, it's totally manageable. Plus, with its solid performance, this filter is definitely worth considering. This is perfect for you if you want your Cummins running optimally without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for an ultra-premium option with all the bells and whistles. For the price, you're getting great value here. Now, if you're concerned about the installation process, the next product might be a lot easier for you. Product number 2, 4-Chord Engine Air Filter. Next up is the 4-Chord Engine Air Filter, priced at just $20.99. With a solid 4.7-star rating from 1,600 reviews, this one stood out to me for its impressive longevity. If you want a filter that lasts longer, keep listening. This filter is compatible with a range of Ram models from 2007 to 2024. This means less hassle for you when it comes to replacements, and it absorbs 99.9% of impurities that could harm your engine. Here's why this matters. If you're someone who drives a lot or wants to avoid frequent maintenance, this filter is a lifesaver. With over 1,600 reviews, the feedback is overwhelmingly positive, which speaks volumes. However, some users reported that it doesn't fit as snugly as expected. But here's the thing, as long as you follow the installation instructions, it should work just fine. If you're looking for value and reliability, you can't go wrong. This is perfect for you if you want a low-cost option that still delivers quality performance. Skip this one if you prefer a premium filter that requires less maintenance. For its price, it's a great deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking to enhance engine performance. Product number 3, K&N Performance Diesel Air Filter. Coming in at a higher price point of $100.79, we have the K&N Performance Diesel High Flow Air Filter. It boasts a rating of 4.7 stars from 844 reviews, and I can see why. If you're after increased power and longevity, this one is worth checking out. With a washable design, you only need to clean it every 75,000 miles, which means significant savings and reduced waste. Plus, it's made of durable materials that are designed to last a lifetime. Here's why this matters. If you're serious about performance and want to maximize your engine's potential, this is a solid investment. The fact that it only needs cleaning every 5 years makes it very convenient for busy drivers. Now, the downside is the higher price tag. Some folks think it's too steep for an air filter. But here's the thing, the performance gains and long-term savings make it worthwhile for anyone looking to get the most out of their Cummins. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a long-term solution that enhances performance without constant replacements. Skip this one if budget is your primary concern. It's a great investment for serious diesel enthusiasts. If K&N's price made you hesitate, the next filter is much more wallet-friendly. Product number 4, DZLI Air Filter Replacement. Next up, we have the DZLI 6.7L Cummins Air Filter Replacement, priced at $28.99. With a 4.7-star rating from 398 reviews, this is a solid choice for those looking for reliability. If you want a well-tested filter that meets OEM specs, this one's worth considering. With a focus on quality, it's tested on actual diesel vehicles, ensuring you get a product that's tried and true. This filter fits a variety of model numbers, making it a versatile option. Here's why this matters. When you know that the filter meets OEM standards, you're confident that it will perform well and protect your engine efficiently. The features and reviews show that it's a trusted choice among many owners. However, some users reported that it can be a bit noisy compared to other filters. But honestly, if you prioritize performance over sound, this minor flaw shouldn't stop you from getting a solid product. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable option that still meets high standards. Skip this one if you need absolute silence from your engine compartment. For the quality, it's a great pick. Now, if noise is a concern for you, the last product might just be the quiet solution you're looking for. Product number 5, Spearhead Max Thrust Air Filter. Finally, we have the Spearhead Max Thrust Engine Air Filter, priced at a very friendly $18.99 and boasting an impressive 4.7-star rating from 26,400 reviews. This one promises a noticeable difference in performance without breaking the bank. If you want a budget-friendly filter that improves your engine's efficiency, keep listening. This filter is designed with a unique hex-D pleat that traps twice as much dirt compared to standard filters while still allowing for great airflow. It can enhance your vehicle's performance and gas mileage, lasting up to 15,000 miles before needing replacement. Here's why this matters. If you've been noticing a decline in acceleration or gas mileage, this filter could be just the fix. It's designed to help your engine breathe better, which can lead to better performance and efficiency. Now, some users mention that it doesn't fit perfectly in every application. Here's the thing though, as long as you double-check compatibility with your specific model, it should perform excellently. It's hard to beat the value you get here. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly upgrade that doesn't compromise on quality. Skip this one if you need a filter that lasts longer than 15,000 miles. For the price, you're getting a fantastic deal. So there you have it. From the Docks Diesel and forecourt for budget-friendly options to the K&N for performance enthusiasts, the DZL for OEM specs, and the Spearhead for those seeking value, each filter has its strengths. Depending on your needs, you can pick the one that suits you best and keep your 6.7 Cummins running strong.